Salam everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are making Eid special beef biryani. I've listed all of the ingredients in the description box below. You can check them out. We'll start off by taking 750 grams of beef in a pressure cooker. Next we'll add in some salt, onion, garlic, peppercorns, cinnamon and water. Give it a mix and keep it on wait until the meat is 90% tendered. For preparing the korma, take 3/4 cup of oil in a pot, then add in 3 medium sliced onions and stir fry until they're golden brown. When it's golden brown, take out some of the onions so that we could sprinkle it while layering the biryani. Next, add in 2 tablespoons full of ginger garlic paste and saute for a while. Once you're done, add in 4 medium tomatoes. Give it a good mix and cover it until the tomatoes are soft. For boiling the rice, we'll add in some salt and cumin seeds to the water. Next, take a light and soft piece of fabric and place the rest of your spices in it, knot it out and throw it in the water for boiling rice. Give it a mix and leave the water for boiling. Till then, we'll see where our korma stands. The tomatoes are completely soft. Now we'll add in 3 tablespoons of biryani masala, some salt to taste and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. After you stir fry it all well, add in 150 grams of yogurt. Give it a good mix so that there are no lumps formed. Cover for a while. Once everything is nicely mixed, add in the potatoes. Cover until the potatoes get soft enough. Here the bubbles are formed in the water. Now we'll add in our rice. I added a teaspoon of vinegar. You can also add oil. It all depends on your preference. When the rice is 90% boiled, we'll save half a cup of water. This way we could use it while layering. Next, take some boiled rice and mix it with the food color you use. When the potatoes are softened, add in the prepared meat. Give it a little mix and throw in some green chillies, coriander and mint leaves. Leave on very low flame for about 5 till 6 minutes. Once you're done, save required amount of korma so that we could place it in a third layer. Now layer in some boiled rice to our remaining mixture. Now comes the third layer in which we'll be placing our saved korma. Layer the rice again. Now throw in some mint and coriander leaves, some green chillies and some sliced lemon. Layer in our remaining rice, some onions and the rice to which we mixed our food color. Don't forget to add in the water that we saved. Cover and leave on low flame for about 15 minutes. That's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. I'll see you with another Eid special. Till then, take care. Bye bye.